Polynomial. Basically, this word polynomial is made up by the two words poly and nomial. The meaning of this word poly means this poly means many. This poly means many. Poly means many and nomial means terms. So we can say that a mathematical expression which contain many terms, we can say that it's a polynomial. Or let me write the definition for this polynomial. We can say that a mathematical expression, polynomial, basically what is polynomial? It is a mathematical expression. A mathematical expression which contain variables, which contain constants, which contain coefficients, which contain operations, various operations, etc., is called, we can say that is called polynomial. So what is polynomial? Basically, polynomial is a mathematical expression which contain variables, which contain constants, which contain coefficients, which contain operations, which contain terms, etc., is called polynomial. So polynomial basically is a mathematical expression which contain all these things. Let me write you the example for this polynomial. Example for polynomial is suppose it is written x plus 2. This is the example of polynomial. Second is let me write another example. If it is x square plus x plus 3, this is the example of polynomial. Let me write the third example. Suppose it is written only 5. This 5 is also a polynomial, right? So these are some examples of the polynomial. And what is x here? X is called as variable. What is this 2? This 2 is called as constant, right? What is this plus? This plus sign is called as operation, right? And how many terms this polynomial have? X plus 2, it is having 2 terms. The next term start after plus or minus sign, right? And if I write like this here, it is here like this. So what is coefficient of x square here? The coefficient is the constant value attached with the variable. So 2 is the coefficient. What is the coefficient of x here?
1.
It's 1, right? How many terms in this third example having? Only 1 term, right? I hope it's clear to you the definition of the polynomial. Now let me give you the another definition of the polynomial. A mathematical expression, this is the another definition of polynomial. A mathematical expression, a polynomial is called as a mathematical expression in which the power of variable, very important thing, this thing is a very important thing, in which the power of variable is a whole, the power of variable is whole number. The power of variable must be a whole number to be a polynomial. Then it is called polynomial. Let me explain this thing. Put your mic on mute. It is called polynomial. Let me explain this thing with the help of the example to you. The example is, suppose it is written x square plus x plus 3. So what is the power of variable in this case? It's 1. The power of variable in this case it's 2. So 1 is a whole number, 2 is a whole number. So it is a polynomial. Yes, it is a polynomial. Let me write down another example. Suppose if it is written x power minus 2 plus x power 1 plus 4. Is it polynomial or not?
Yes, sir.
No, it's not polynomial. The power of variable is 1 here, and here the power of variable is minus 2. Is minus 2 a whole number? Is minus 2 a whole number?
No, sir.
No. So it is not polynomial. No, it is not polynomial. I hope you understood this thing. If I write 1 upon
Negative powers cannot be.
polynomial, yes. And if the power is in the form of like this, if it is positive, x power 1.3 plus x power 2 plus 4, this is also not polynomial because 1.3 is not whole number, right? Let us check this 1 upon x. Anyone, could you please tell me, is it polynomial or not? 1 by x.
Sir,
It
It,
is. It is.
it is polynomial.
yes, sir.
Okay.
But if we say x raised to power minus 1 if we convert it.
Yes, you are absolutely right. It is not polynomial. The most important thing is we need to check the power when the variable is in the numerator. If I shift this x on the numerator, it become minus 1, and minus 1 is not a whole number, right? And if you check the power in the denominator, it is 1. It seems to be a polynomial, but it's not a polynomial. The main important thing is you need to check the power when the variable is in the numerator, and if it is not in the numerator, so you must take it to the numerator and then check the power. I hope this thing is clear to you all. Any confusion, any doubt in this topic?
No, sir.
No. Okay, good.
Sir.